Crystal, and welcome to Saturday Seminars with Meta. So today I want to talk about haiku, and I was recently very entertained when I was watching the film Hunt for the Wilderpeople by Taika Waititi. It was used throughout the film to bring the whole picture together. It is laced throughout the film, so it's a really great film to check out. Put it on your list for streaming films or renting a film. But let's get into what exactly is haiku, because that might be foreign to some of you. Haiku is a form of Japanese poetry. It usually correlates to nature, and it has to do with how many syllables are used in the construction of the poem. So in the case of a haiku poem, you typically would have 5 syllables for the first line, 7 syllables for the second line, and you would have 5 syllables for the last line. Now what we're going to do is a bit of a short exercise where I will show you a series of images actually that I took on in my time during the quarantine time over the last couple of months, and I've had some great nature images. So I will show you a couple of images, and hopefully one will stick out to you that you want to talk about. So you just take that one image, that moment in time, and decide to build a poem around that particular image. And you, again, the rules for haiku we'll go over are 5 syllables for the first line, 7 for the second line, and then 5 for the final line of the poem. Spring greens make way for orange, yellow, and red leaves. By autumn season,